Unlock the full power of global money transfers by getting your Wise account verified. Let's dive in. First things first, log into your Wise account on their website or through the app. You'll likely be prompted for verification if it's a new account or if you're trying to access features that require it. Once logged in, look for a notification or banner at the top of your dashboard that says verify your account or similar. Click on that to begin the process. Wise will then present you with the necessary steps. Typically, this involves verifying your identity and sometimes your address. You'll see options for how you can provide this information. For identity verification, you'll need to provide some personal details like your name, date of birth, and nationality. Then, you'll be asked to upload a clear picture of an accepted identification document. This could be your passport, a national ID card, or a driving license. Ensure the document is valid, not expired, and all the text and your photo are clearly visible. Take the photos in good lighting with no glare. For address verification, you might need to upload a document that shows your name and current address dated within the last 3 months. This commonly includes a utility bill, a bank statement, or a council tax bill. Again, make sure the document is clear, all details are legible, and that it's not a screenshot of a digital bill, but a scanned or photographed copy. Once you've uploaded your documents and submitted the information, Wise will review everything. This process can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of business days, depending on the complexity and their current workload. You'll receive an email or an in-app notification once your account is successfully verified. Congratulations! You can now send and receive money internationally with confidence and unlock all of Wise's features.